Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Let's Learn. All topics related to mechanical engineering are available in our channel. Let's see. So today's our topic is the gyroscopic effect on aeroplane. If the engine of aeroplane rotates in the clockwise direction when we see it from the tail end and it is taking a left turn. So here it is aeroplane. Now let's draw its spin axis. It will be like this, and it is given that it is rotating in the clockwise direction if we see it from the rear end. If we see it from the rear end, the clockwise direction will be in like this. Okay, before going further, we will once revise the right hand thumb rule. So here you can see the right hand thumb rule. Here the right hand, the fingers are representing the rotation of the wheel and the thumb is representing the angular velocity vector, the direction of angular velocity vector omega. So now we will see how it affects in the our gyroscopic couple. Here the plane we can see, and here it is the rotation which is in clockwise, and we got this angular velocity vector omega as in this direction by using the right hand thumb rule. Okay, now we will start our topic. So take this is as the spin axis, given that it is having a clockwise rotary motion, and by using right hand thumb rule we get the angular velocity vector omega s in this direction, and in question it is given that it is turning a or taking a left turn this way if you see it from the inside the plane. Now we will draw the precision axis, and we have to draw the or we will get the precision vector in this direction omega p, because the plane is taking a left turn, so we have to take the precision vector in this direction only, and we will draw the z axis. Now we have to make this omega s turn 90 degrees in the same direction of omega p, means this omega p will come 90 degrees turn, it will come here. Okay, this shows our active gyroscopic couple, and same opposite to this we will get the reactive gyroscopic couple. Again, by using the right hand thumb rule, if we use in this reactive gyroscopic couple vector, we will get the direction or rotation motion in like this way. The same this reactive gyroscopic couple acts on our aeroplane. See, like this. What this is representing? It is representing that the nose of the plane is moving upwards and the tail is moving downwards. So we can see that in so we can say that the plane is taking left turn and its rotary motion is in clockwise. Its nose will raise and the tail will dip. So this is the gyroscopic couple in this aeroplane of this case. Thank you for watching the video. If this video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe our channel.